Okay, so at this point, all we have left to measure here is the softball. We're at number 16 in our procedures. And it says, take your stringage table and tape it to the center of the softball, like the picture below. So I could start right here. If I wanted, I could tape it so that I should probably still be able to see the very edge of the string, because what we're going to be doing is wrapping this string around to take a measurement on the string and then just measure the string. Since we can't wrap, and please don't try to wrap my rulers around this softball. It's been done before and it doesn't work very well. Some people just choose not to follow directions, but whatever. So here we are. I'm not going to tape this down just for sake of time. So as we flip the page, let me zoom out just a hair. It's showing us how to wrap this around all the way around the center. And then what you want to do is you can use your marker to put a dot on the string, not the ball, like I did. I guess that's okay, right? You have to pull that string tight so that we have all this to measure down to my dark point, which is right here by my finger in the video. So what I would eventually do here is to get this measurement of circumference, which is all the way around this softball. I just stretch this string out. I'd measure that distance right there, and that is my circumference distance. So as we come to the data table, zooming in, circumference. Now let's say my circumference, and I'm going to give you another bogus number, just so you have to measure it. We'll say our circumference is 27 centimeters. Well, our next calculation then is diameter, and we'll see diameter equals C, circumference, divided by pi. So we'll skip down here. Remember, pi is equal to 3.14. But I need to grab my calculator and take 27 divided by 3.14. Let's see if I can do it like this here. 27 divided by pi equals, all right, 8.59. Then you'll see that I need to use that diameter that I've found and plug that into my radius equation, where radius equals diameter divided by 2, because radius is half of diameter from the center of the object to an outside edge. So I'll go clear this out and go 8.59 divided by 2, and that equals 4.295. I'll say 4.30. So now I have all my numbers to go use this volume formula. Again, I need to make sure that I'm using parentheses as I plug some of these numbers in, because I have a 4 divided by 3 term and an r cubed term, or r to the third power term. So I'm going to start this out by going parenthesis 4 divided by 3, because I need to know that quantity, parenthesis, multiplied by pi, which is multiplied by my r cubed term. So go back over here. Here's my r term. So I need to go parenthesis 4.30, and at this point I want to use this button here. That's 2d third power parenthesis equals, and I got 333. I could say 0.04 if I want. Okay? And that's how we find the volume of the softball.